In this video, we're going to learn how to use the switch function. The switch function is a logical function in Excel that will switch out a value you're looking for a different value that you have in mind as a result. Let's start here in cell C6. I'll put my function in and tab it in. I have three required arguments, one of which is expression. Expression is where I can find the value that I want to be switched out for something else. That would be here in cell B6, comma. Next is value 1. This is going to be what the current value that I'm looking for is. So for me, I'm looking for the value tx. So in quotes, tx, comma. Next is result 1. If it finds tx, what do I want the result to be? I want the result to be Texas. So in quotes, tx, tex, as, comma. Next is either a default or value 2, so I can continue to look for values to switch them out, or I can have a default response. Here I want to say if we find CA in the cell, then return the text California. Next argument could be a default response or another value to find to be switched out. Here my default response is going to be NA, so in quotes, N/A. So if it doesn't find TX or CA, it's going to return NA. Close it out, push enter and copy it down, and here we have the switch function.